Trainline are scammers. Don't use Trainline. I booked 3 tickets from Ledbury to Worcester on the train, and the train never turned up. So we're sitting here thinking, oh, did we miss it? But no, we didn't miss it. It was cancelled. So I asked for my refund off Trainline. I paid almost £25 for these 3 tickets, and Trainline have kept almost £15 in administration fee. So for £25 worth of train tickets, I've got £10 back. Trainline, you are fucking scammers, and I will never use you again.